Goldman Sachs just dropped a bomb. 300 million jobs gone by 2028. Not maybe, definitely. McKinsey found 44% of white-collar work will vanish. Legal teams are already using Harvey AI. One lawyer now does work of 30. Microsoft integrated GPT into Excel last year. Accountants at KPMG lost contract work overnight. Google's new agents handle customer service alone. Your email inbox? Automated in 90 days. Coding jobs hit hardest. GitHub Copilot replaced 47% of developers. But here is the real threat. Your manager might not survive this wave. Middle management disappears when AI handles delegation. Your salary could drop 35% fast. Competition just went global and free. Every skill you have has a price. That price is dropping every single month. Your job is not secure anymore. Learn AI prompting right now today. Do it before August ends completely. This changes everything for your career path. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.